In this video, we are going to learn how to represent the solution sets of the inequations on the number line. We have divided it into two parts. One is for win. Win means whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. How we will represent whole numbers, natural numbers and integers with some of the examples given over here. And the other part is for river. River means real numbers. Why are we calling it river? We will understand when we will draw these on the number line. So for first, let's take the win. So our first solution set is this. Alright. So for that, we will draw a line like this. Put arrows on both sides of this line. Write these numbers just in the middle. 1, 2 and 3, and then put two more numbers after this last number, that is 3, 4 and 5, and two more numbers before this number, that is 0, that is -2 and -1. Now, since we are representing these numbers on the number line and they are whole numbers, how do we do that? Put a dark circle on 0 because it's starting from 0. Then a dark circle on 1, 2 and then 3. Should always remember that arrows on both sides of this number line. Two more numbers from the end number here and two more numbers from the starting number here. Right? Then let's take another example. This one. So in this example, again, draw a line, arrows on both sides. Write these numbers like this. 1, 2, 3. If you look at this solution set, it has the starting point. That is, it is starting from 0 and then there is no end point. This solution set says that the numbers start from 0 and then infinitely from the positive side of the number side. There is no end to it. All the numbers from 0 to infinity will be taken in this solution set. So what we will do is we'll write 4. 4 is also included. Maybe 5 also. Right? All the numbers are included in this. So what we do in this case is that put two more numbers here. A dark circle on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 also because it's also included, 5 also, and then go to the arrow this part and put 3 circles, small circles over here. Now these 3 small circles depict that it is an infinite set. There is no end to it, right? Then we'll go to this part. It seems these are integers. So what we will do is we'll draw a line, arrows on both the sides of this line, and then write -14, -13, -12. In fact, lines like this, -13, -11, -10. Because -10 is greater than -11, so is -12 is less than -11 and so on. Because negative numbers, -10 is greater than -11, -12 is less than -11. Similarly, -13 is less than -12. So on the negative side, you have to write the numbers like this. And again, this is an infinite set. You see that there is no end point. The starting point is -11. So we will go to -11. Put a dark circle here. Put a dark circle on. It is increasing in which side? This side. In fact, decreasing. So all the numbers on this side and then 3 small circles, 3 small dots on this side of the arrow. Because you see that, as I explained before also, -11, -12, -13, -14. So it's going on this direction, right? Okay. Now for this set, again, draw a line, arrows on both the sides. Write these numbers in the middle. Suppose this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 more numbers after 6, 7, 8. 2 more numbers before this, 1 and 2. Then put dark circles here on 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now again, if we have something like this, how do we do it? Draw a line like this, put arrows on both sides of this line. So we can have -7, then we can have -6, -5, -4. When we go to this side of the number line, the numbers keep on increasing. That is why -7 is less than -6, -5 is greater than -6, -4 is greater than -5. So that's why we write it like this. So this is -3, -2, -1. Alright. But our numbers are -4, -5 and -6. So we will draw dark circles on -4, -5 and -6. Right? That's how we represent the wind on a number line. Now let's come to the river. River means real numbers. First thing that we need to remember is that when we are writing the solution set for the real numbers, it should always be in the set builder form. Here you saw that all the sets were in roster form, right? Here you will find all the solution sets in the set builder form. Okay, so let's plot this solution set on a number line for real numbers. There are actually two ways of representing it. Both are correct. You may choose one of the ways to represent the solution set on the number line. So let me show you the first way. Draw a line like this. Put arrows on both sides of this line. So you have x is greater or equal to 2, right? So let me write 0, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? This is 5. Okay. Now, x is greater or equal to 2. So you see greater, along with the greater, we have equality sign also here. So what we will do is we will go to 2. Draw a straight line over here, right? Because greater or equality sign is also there. So equality sign represents this straight line, and then draw a rectangle like this. Since starting point we don't have the end point. So what we will do is we will move to this side, draw an arrow like this and then shade that arrow. This represents that x is greater or equal to 2. That means it will take all the numbers starting from 2 to any number to infinity. Now, another way of representing this is that what you will do is you will draw a straight line like this. Draw number 0 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, since equality sign is here, you will go to 2, draw a dark number, draw dark circle over here, and then darken this line. You're darkening this line. Along with this arrow should also be darkened. It should be visibly dark than the other side of this arrow. So what you have done is you have darkened this arrow, and this is visibly darker and bigger than this arrow. A dark circle here indicating that equality sign is also along with 2. So you can choose any of the methods from the two to represent this solution set on a number line. Similarly, let's take this case. In this case, the first method, draw a line, straight line, put arrows on both sides of the line. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will do, he's saying that x is less or equal to 3. Less or equal, that means all the numbers starting from 3 and then going to infinity. There's no end to this. So what we will do is we'll go to 3, draw a straight line because equality sign is there. Draw a rectangle like this. Same way, this side, this time this is increasing in this direction. All the numbers less than 3. Shade this. This represents x is less or equal to 3. Now the question is, why are we taking this rectangle? Because this rectangle means all the numbers, there are so many, all the numbers between 2 and 3 are real. All the numbers between 2 and 1 are real. That is why we are taking this as a river. This is flowing in this direction. Every number which comes in between 3 and 2 is a real number. Unlike here, because here after 0, which was the next whole number? 1. There is no whole number between 0 and 1. That's why after this dot, we are putting this dot. But here, there are all the numbers which are between 3 and 2 are real numbers. That's why we are taking it like a river. Fine. So let's understand another way of representing it. That is this way. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. We have to go to 3. Equality sign is there. So we'll put a dark circle over here. And then what we will do here, x was greater than 2. So we moved on this side. Here x is less than 3. So what we will do is we will darken this portion of the line. Right? And we will also darken this arrow so that it is visibly darker and bigger than this side. Clear? Now you can choose this method or this method. Now let's choose one more example. If you look at this solution set, you have the starting point also and you have the ending point also. This makes your job easier. Let's take the first way of representing. A line, arrows on both the sides. So we will have -5, then -4, then -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? So it's starting from -3 and equality sign is also there. So we will go to -3, draw a straight line here. Then it's ending at 3. Equality sign is also there. So we will go at 3, draw a straight line here. Then join this rectangle. All the real numbers between -3 and +3. So shade this. You are representing this solution set on a number line. Now this way, another way of representing this is that -5, this is -4, this is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So your starting point is -3. Equality sign is also there. You will go to 3, place a dark circle over there. Ending point is 3. Equality sign is there. Go to 3. Place a dark circle and darken this portion in between. Okay. Make this portion thicker. So this represents this solution set. You can choose either of the ways of representing them on the number line. Again, one more example. Draw a straight line, arrows on both sides. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now go to 2. Equality sign is also there. So a straight line on 2. Go to 5. Equality sign is also there. So a straight line over there. Join this. Shade it. This is the representation of this set. Then another way of representing this is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Go to 2, equality sign is there, so place a dark circle on 2. Go to 5, equality sign is also there, place a dark circle and then darken this portion in between. Right? Let's take some more examples to get the more clarity on this. So we have the solution set over here is x such that x is less than 2 and x belongs to R. So a line, arrows on both the sides. So this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see this time you don't have the equality sign here. So what will you do? You will go to 2, place an arc-like structure here like this. Now it is infinitely decreasing, going on this side, less than 2. So what we will do is draw a rectangle like this, place an arrow like this on this side. This depicts that this is an infinite set. All the numbers which are less than 2 will be included here. Now what can be the other method by which we can represent this? A straight line, arrows on both sides. This is my -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now x is less than 2, no equality sign, go to 2, place a simple circle, not the darkened one here. Then go on this side, darken this space, this part of the line. Make this arrow visibly darker than the other side. It means that less than 2, not starting from 2. All the numbers which are less than 2 are included in this set infinitely. Right? We don't know the end point. Again, let's take this example. We have to draw a line with arrows on both the sides. So put -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is our starting point? 4. And there is no equality sign over here. So we will go to 4. Put an arc-like structure here. Right? And sorry. If it is going on this direction, then the arc should be like this. Right? This way. Okay. So then go to 7. There is no equality sign over here. So what will we do? We'll put an arc like this. Join this. This is my representation of this set. So what can be the other way of representing this? Draw a line, arrows on both sides. This is -1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now 4, no equality sign here. Go to 4, place a circle, not a darkened one. Go to 7, no equality sign here, a simple circle, and then darken this portion between the two circles. It means that this includes all the real numbers between 4 and 7, 4 and 7 not included, right? When you are placing these open circles here, not the darkened ones. Okay, let's go to this part. The first method, we have between -3 to 3. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go to -3. There is no equality sign here. So an arc like this. Go to 3. There is no equality sign here. An arc like this. Then join this and shade this. So another method is again Draw the number line with numbers written on it. 3, 4 and 5. We have to start from -3. No equality sign here. So we will place a simple circle, not a darkened one. Go to 3. No equality sign here. Simple circle and then darken this portion between this. What does this mean? This set represents all the real numbers between -3 and 3, -3 and 3 not included. So for this, draw a straight line, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to 0, no equality sign here, place an arc-like structure here, go to 3, no equality sign here, arc like this, join this and then shade this portion. Similarly, another way of representing it would be, this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to 0, no equality sign here, place a simple circle on 0, similarly on 3 like this and then darken this portion. Now this example, draw a straight line, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me put one more number, 6. Go to 1, no equality sign here, place an arc here. Go to 4, no equality sign here, place an arc here and then shade this portion, right? Okay. Similarly, this part, draw a line, arrows on both sides of this line, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in this case, you see that you have equality sign here. Fine. 4 is less or equal to x is less than 7. That means the value of x is from 4 to 7. 7 not included. So we will go to 4, place a straight line and then go to 7, place an arc like this and then join it. It's different from the previous ones, right? Similarly, if we have to represent this here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go to 3, no equality sign here, so an arc. Go to 7, equality sign here, so place a straight line here. Join this. It means that this solution set includes all the real numbers from 3 to 7. 3 not included but 7 included. Let's see how we can represent this by other method. So again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go to 3, place a simple circle over there. Go to 7, equality sign is there, place a dark circle over there and then darken this space between the two. Clear? Similarly, if we look at this set, draw a straight line, arrows on both the sides. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to 2, there is an equality sign, place a straight line. Go to 5, no equality sign, place an arc like this and then join this, darken this portion, shade this portion. This means that This solution set includes all the real numbers between 2 to 5, 2 included and 5 not included. So what will be the another way of representing this? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to 2, equality sign here. So place a dark circle over here. Go to 5, equality sign is not there. So place a simple circle over here and then darken this portion between the two sets. Fine. So this is -1, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to 0, no equality sign here, so place an arc like this. Go to 3, equality sign is there, place a straight line, join these and shade this. Now for this part, we have draw a straight line like this. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to 1, equality sign is there. Place a straight line over 1. Go to 4, equality sign is not there. Place an arc like this, join this and shade this. So what is the another method for this? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to 1, equality sign is there. So place a dark circle there on 1. Go to 4, equality sign is not there. Place a simple circle, not the darkened one. And then darken this portion between 1 and 4. That's it.